So here is a quick hack on how to check whether your RC is compatible with the other drones. Just connect your RC to the mobile phone and open the DJI app, and over here you will see connect to the aircraft. So once I click this, you will be able to see which all drones the RC is compatible with. In my case, it is compatible with Mavic 3 series, Mavic 3, Mavic 3 Pro, Mavic 3 Classic, DJI Air 2s, Mavic Air 2, DJI Mini 4K, Mini 2 SE, Mini 3, and Mini 3 Pro and Mini 2. So Mini series के 5, Air 2s and Air 2, and Mavic 3 series. So just look what happens when I disconnect the cable from my RC. Okay, now see, now I haven't attached the RC to my cell phone. I disconnected it, so now I see a lot of other app options: DJI Neo, Flip, Avata, Mini. All these options I am able to see, but as soon as I connect the RC via cable, see, it is reduced to only these three drones. So once you connect the cable to the smartphone and open the app, you should be able to see which all drones are compatible with your RC.